My mother-in-law, who is German and lives in Germany, recently sent me this recipe for a German layer salad, and she said I should make it because it's lecker. So I made it at work and the feedback was great, and then I made it at home, and Mike, my German husband, nearly ate the whole bowl because he also said it was delicious. So today I made a video about it to share it with you. It's also perfect for picnics or gatherings because it's best made the day before you intend to eat it. At the end of this video, I've also tagged 2 quick Australian old-fashioned recipes that I make often. One is for a carrot salad and the other is for a cucumber salad. You'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs. Just pop the eggs into a pot of boiling water and set a timer for 9 minutes. Once they're done, drain and rinse them, then immediately give each egg a crack with a knife, a spoon or whatever's handy. Fill the pot with cold water and let them sit for a few minutes. And when they're cool enough to handle, just slip a spoon under the shell where you cracked it and it will peel off like magic. I like to prep all the ingredients for this salad first, then it's just a matter of layering them. You'll need 2 sticks of celery, finely chopped, and 2 leeks. I cut the leeks into quarters lengthwise and discard the tough ends and slice them thinly. Even though these leeks were pre-washed, I still like to rinse them well under cold water because leeks are notorious for hiding dirt. Peel and dice 2 apples into small pieces, and I like to squeeze about half a lemon over them to stop them from turning brown. Once your boiled eggs have cooked, chop them into small pieces. For the dressing, combine 300 ml of sour cream with about 200 ml of mayonnaise. Whisk them together until they're smooth and creamy. Now for the fun part, assembling the salad. First, layer the celery in the bottom of a large bowl. Add the chopped eggs next, followed by about 150 grams of chopped ham. I just use the pre-chopped ham, but you can use any kind you like. Then add a small drained tin of corn kernels. I only had a large tin, so I added it all, but the recipe suggests using a small tin, probably about half a large one. Drain a 450 gram tin of crushed pineapple, and I wasn't wearing my glasses at the supermarket and I accidentally bought pineapple chunks, but they still worked, although I do prefer the crushed pineapple. Make sure whatever you use is well drained. Then sprinkle the apples over the pineapple and spread the sour cream and mayo mixture evenly on the top, smoothing it out. Finally, pile the leeks on top as the crowning glory. And yes, I know you're thinking, isn't that bowl too small? And you're absolutely right. I seriously need to buy some bigger bowls. Cover the salad and refrigerate it overnight. When you're ready to eat it, just scoop out some of the salad, trying to keep the layers together, and it will keep between 5 to 6 days in the fridge. It may weep a little, but just discard that liquid in the bottom. Next up is 2 of my favourite quick old-fashioned and easy salads. And first is the carrot salad, and I make this one a lot at work because it's cheap, it's easy and it tastes great. Take about 600 grams of carrots, which is about 4 big carrots. Peel and grate them and place them in a bowl. Then add 1 cup of raisins or sultanas and mix them through with the carrots. The dressing is super simple. Just whisk together a scant tablespoon of honey or 1 teaspoon if you're using raisins, because raisins are sweeter than sultanas. I learnt this the hard way while filming. I usually use sultanas. 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 1/4 cup of milk. Pour the dressing over the carrots and raisins and mix gently but well. This salad tastes best after a couple of hours in the fridge, nice and cold. It will keep for about 5 days, though it may weep a little, but just discard any liquid that gathers at the bottom. When ready to serve, sprinkle with some chopped fresh parsley and you're all set. Next up is the cucumber salad. It is refreshing and it goes wonderful with cold meats or barbecued meats. Just don't pair it with the carrot salad because the carrot salad is on the sweeter side and this cucumber salad is on the sourer side. Take a large cucumber and chop it into small pieces, place them in a bowl, then finely chop 2 tablespoons of fresh mint and sprinkle that over the top. Add a small finely diced onion and then 3 tablespoons of raisins or sultanas, 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts and a scant teaspoon of salt and pepper. Finally, stir in 1 cup of plain yogurt and mix gently but thoroughly. Then sprinkle a little extra mint on top. Cover and refrigerate for a couple of hours until it's nice and cold. And before I serve it, I like to sprinkle over a few more raisins and a few more walnuts. I hope you enjoy these recipes. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you back here again soon.